Right, here I go then with another one. It's quite local today, 25 miles up the road. I mean, I've done a 5k Friday, 6.5 mile hike Saturday, 6.5 mile run yesterday, and a nice 6 mile hike today. So here we go, Lickey Hills. Certainly some posh houses along here. Strange route this one. Loads of mud, forests, crossing roads on a road now, a posh road. Weird one. So that one in the far distance there is Turner's Hill, and then that's Lickey Hills in the middle there, and over to the right that's Birmingham city centre. Yep, so this is the top of Lickey Hills, and luckily the rain's held off. Said it was going to rain and it hasn't, which is bang on. Some lovely views. Chuffed. So that's the Beacon Hill monument in the background, and it was used a lot in the Second World War actually as a lookout for you know, incoming planes and stuff that were attacking. Yeah, so the Cadbury family owned that and all the land around here, and they handed it over to the city of Birmingham because of all the wealth. So think about that when you have your Whisper bar. Thanks, Cadbury. Oh, I've got to look out for golf balls then. Fucking hell, thanks man. This is a crazy route. I don't know who come up with this. I'm coming up to 5.5 miles. That's it then, coming to the end. Nice 6 mile hike, Lickey Hills. See you next time. Well, I'm into Blair Witch Project, innit? Tell me about Raquel Welch, fucking Raquel Squelch. Rubery. Down at Rubery Hill you can drink all day.